CynDollBae here, coming at you with another video. Now this video is a little different and very, very dear to me. This video has been sponsored by an amazing company called BetterHelp. We take care of so many different things, but we don't take care of ourselves. And I don't just mean your hair, your makeup, getting your lashes done, girl, but like your mental health. We have so many problems that we're dealing with on a day-to-day basis, but just refuse to get any help. We think that we can deal with these problems on our own, and we just tuck everything in and internalize it, and then one day something big happens and we just freaking explode. And that's when you look and you see different people like, oh my god, I can't believe they killed themselves, or I can't believe this happened. That's because they've been dealing with something so big but pushing it so deep down inside and having no outlet. And you know, when you hear about a counselor to deal with different problems like this, it's a whole lot of money. It's like, I can't afford $150 a session every time we sit down and talk. And then, well, BetterHelp makes it so you have instant access to your therapist. Greatest part about BetterHelp is the price. A regular therapist could range you in price anywhere from $75 to $350 per session, and probably more than that, whereas BetterHelp is anywhere from $35 to $65 billed weekly. So I think it's amazing, you guys. Give it a try, and I'm gonna leave my affiliate link below so you guys can go ahead and check out BetterHelp. Don't just take my word for it, you guys. Your mental health is so important, and if you begin to take care of yourself, all of the things that are going on in your life, whether they're self-inflicted or coming from an outside source, I think this is amazing. So yeah, so now it's time to get into this video. The client that you're about to see is getting a beaded sew-in microlink installation, and I absolutely love this installation because it makes it so easy for my clients to be able to deal with their natural hair. This is also a form of extensions that I recommend for my clients as we're transitioning out of hair extensions. If you're used to wearing weaves repeatedly, like getting it taken out and then putting them right back in, it's like shocking when you see yourself in the mirror and you're used to having 4 or 5 bundles in your head. Beaded installations are a very good way to slowly but surely wean your clients off of hair extensions. So, and that is enough talking for now. I promise. Let's go ahead and get into this video. So I don't know where the beginning of the footage went, but it went somewhere, and she is not 100% natural, but that means absolutely nothing. We're gonna get ready to do this beaded sew-in, but I just wanted to tell you guys something really quick because I know you guys are gonna ask. The hair that you're gonna see in this video is from the CynDollBae selection, and it's really easy to get in. I'm gonna leave all of the information in the description box below. It's really easy if you're following me on Instagram because you can literally just click the link in my bio, and this texture is going to be body wave, and it is magical. I think we are only using like 1.5 bundles of this hair, and yes, you guys, make sure you click the link in the description box below and shop the CynDollBae selection because there are bundles starting as low as $35. So yeah, keep on watching. What you guys are going to see, like whenever you see some of the dandruff, she just has a mild case of plaque psoriasis on her scalp, and the little thinning areas you're gonna see. When I first started doing her hair, she had just had a baby. Her little boy was just 3 months old. For a lot of women, whenever you give birth, sometimes like when the baby comes out, it takes everything with you, like all of your nutrients that you hold in your body, and that goes to your skin and your hair, your nails, like a lot of different things. So this form of extensions is a form of extensions that we've done. This is her second time getting this install, and I am going to try to find some pictures from our very first session so you can see our growth process and how much our hair has thickened and grown. But you will see as we go wherever the dandruff is. I'm making sure that I get rid of it. I would have loved to put the audio in here, but this video is already pretty long. but literally I'm asking her after I tighten up each bead, like, does it feel okay? Does it feel okay? To the point I probably got on her nerves. She's like saying I don't feel anything. So just know this form of extension does not hurt. This is actually one form that I use for all of my clients that are either transitioning out of hair extensions or transitioning into hair extensions. It's a very, very easy transition. And as you can see here, it is 100% undetectable. Like, you don't see anything, no lumps, no bumps. You flip it over and the track lays flat. So this is what I'm talking about. You know, I'm just scratching her scalp for debris. We've already did a really good conditioning treatment. And yes, you guys, this video I'm gonna be pretty much doing the same thing all the way around, which is applying the micro links, which have a silicone band on the inside, which keeps it from like breaking and tugging and pulling on your hair and different things of that nature. And the silicone on the inside is really great for our texture of hair, because as our hair gets wet, of course, the diameter swells, like I always tell you guys. And with the silicone on the inside, it makes it so it's smooth. And when we took these extensions out, we didn't get any like balding or anything falling out or anything like that. And it's a great way for us to start the repairing process, because her son's not even 1 year old yet. So it's still like a lot of times when women have babies. I don't know if you're familiar with that. If you are, make sure you leave some comments below if you've ever had that problem before after childbirth. But it is 100% normal, you guys, and this is a really good way to be able to camouflage that and still be able to get hair extensions. What you guys are going to see after this next part, I am going to part above the part where the most of the thinning is, and I'm doing the like 2 inches above the actual thinning area. So of course you don't want to link a micro link onto that area. You want to go at least 1.5 inches above it. So that's all I'm going to do, you guys. I'm going to go around doing that around her entire head. Right here, you just saw I stopped where that track stopped, and then I went to the other side. So remember, like I said, you guys, this is our second time doing this process. I just didn't record it the first time. I don't know why, but that's why the tracks are already cut. And literally we have so much growth, because as you can see, some of the pieces are like shorter than I planned to be, because we got so much growth and so much density that I didn't even need to use the whole 2 bundles this time. That's why I said we only use like 1.5 bundles. So yes, you guys see it, that I'm going all around, and then I'm gonna close these bad boys up, girl, and then I'll be back. let's talk real quick. Most of the time when you're on YouTube, you see influencers or creators say things like, oh, make sure you're following me on Instagram. Some people may do it for followers. I do it for community. And by doing it for community, I mean a lot of you guys always ask me questions about stuff. And literally, if you're following me on Instagram, you literally get an inside scoop to my life. So here's my Instagram, you guys. And literally, I build a community on there where we talk all the time. You guys leave ideas there, comments, concerns, inspirational posts that I make. And we are keeping up with our growth on YouTube, on Instagram. As you can see, like, this is when I started off at 20-something K, and it's just so amazing, like, how everything is taking off, you guys. And right now, I was pushing for 32K, and it's insane because that was on Sunday. Look at my baby in the bed. That's why y'all gotta follow me on Instagram. But I was literally like, oh my God, like, I'll get to 32K at least by Sunday, and that was on Sunday, and today's Thursday, and we're like knocking 32K at the door if we're not there already. So that is why I want you guys to be following me on Instagram so we can do this whole growth process together, and you guys can make comments and stuff like that, and we can just engage each other, and you guys can get all of your questions answered. Because like I said, I have so many people asking me like, oh, Cyn, what is your weight loss regimen? What do you eat in the morning? Like, what do you do for a snack? How do you avoid losing weight and falling off? I answer all of those questions on my Instagram. I literally live out loud in my stories. It's on there from the time I wake up till the time that I'm about to go to sleep. I vlog on Instagram, so make sure you're following me on Instagram. I don't just say it just to say it. So now what I'm doing is going back throughout her head and looking to see if there's anywhere that I feel that we need to add any more hair extensions. So as you can see right here, I'm adding one more short track to add density in the back. I am not putting that weft on the right side or the left side where her temples are, because like you guys saw, those were the thinning areas that I'm trying to avoid putting the most tension on. That's why I put that track that has to go in the front 2 inches above the damage, okay? So now you can see like perfectly, like you don't see anything. She can do like half up, half down. You would never even know she had hair extensions, and that's why I love this form of extensions so freaking much. And she has the versatility to wear a part in the middle, no part at all on the right side or on the left side. The beaded extensions are so versatile. That's why I love them if my client is transitioning out of hair extensions or transitioning in, because you get to use your natural hair. Now, I did not include the full cut because I did point cutting. Point cutting is very critical, because if you do it wrong when you're doing hair extensions, you will cut your client's hair. So there was not enough time in this video to explain point cutting. If you guys are interested in knowing how to point cut, then leave me a comment below, because otherwise I won't make the video if you guys don't really care on how to point cut. So anywho, I am just going to go through and curl her hair, you guys. And as you know, I am using Silk Fusion Polish, which is a built-in heat protector and shine spray. All of the products that I use in this video can be found in the description box below. You will also see that I'm going to take some of my own personal edge control, which is called Main Glaze from the CynDollBae selection, which can also be found on my website in the description box below. And yes, you guys, that is why I'm saying follow me on Instagram, because you can literally, like I showed you guys, you can literally just click the link in my bio and go to everything that is CynDollBae, if that makes sense. So you guys keep watching, and I'm gonna come back when we're done. So that is it, you guys. I hope this video was informative for you. If you are a woman that just had a baby and you are dealing with thinning or anything like that, you are not alone. It is normal. Giving birth is absolutely amazing, and as a woman we sacrifice so much, and one of those things sometimes is the density of our hair. But there are so many different things that you can do to combat that, and this is a form of extensions that you can use to combat that. She looks absolutely beautiful. You cannot tell that these are hair extensions. So like I said, thank you guys so much for listening to me talk 24/7, girl. And please, 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 if you don't listen to anything else that I say in this video, please make sure you guys go check out BetterHelp if you really do need help in any capacity as it pertains to your mental health. It is so amazing that you can literally pick up your phone and email or text your counselor. It is amazing, amazing. Please take advantage, because social media makes it so we have access to things that our mothers and our fathers and our grandparents and great-grandparents did not have access to. But we have access to the things in life that can make our lives better, and to skip over certain things. If you can skip over certain problems and get help, why wouldn't you? I love you guys so much, and until my next video, bye girl.